you will see that this is not the exact name of your course, but it's the right idea. I don't have Module 3 released yet, but I would like to show you how to navigate when it is released, okay? So we are going to look here, Module 3, Introduction to HTML, Read, Learn, and Practice. That is the goal here. So you are going to click on each one of these links, Introduction to HTML, and you're going to read about it right here. What is it? What is a simple document? What does it look like? Okay, and you're going to come back over here to HTML Basic, and you're going to read this. Okay, you'll see this fantastic little piece here that says try it yourself. So what you'll do is there's your first heading and your first paragraph, and so I'm going to go ahead and create my second heading. Okay. Oops. Okay. And then I will also make a paragraph here. Old habits are hard to break. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to hit run. Watch what happens over here. Okay. My first heading, my first paragraph. My second heading, my second paragraph. What you can do then, once you have that done, is you can hit save. And then you will hit save here, and it's going to give you an address, a URL. This right here is what you'll right-click and copy link address, and then come in and paste into your assignment. Okay, so that's how you're going to do that. Go ahead and download your HTML table. Okay, and this is where you're taking notes on your different HTML codes. Okay, so you want to make sure that you write down what these mean or what kind of little prompts you're going to need to be able to remember HTML. Okay, and that is the first section, Introduction to HTML, Read, Learn, and Practice.